Straight back. You good? You're out now. You're out. Hey, go ahead and pull your key up. I have a set.
Okay.
You good? Go ahead and pop the trunk and see if it knocks some of the dust off of it right quick.
Do what to the trunk?
Let me open the trunk up, see if I have any towels in the back of it.
I can carry the melon. I can't find my truck key.
I thought that was that key I had. It was a Ford key, but it wasn't for the truck.
I thought on my truck we had a little black tab in it.
Cut them hard. There you go. Are you good? Come on, you're good. You're doing good. Straighten up. How old are you, Dad?
87, come January 3rd.
January 3rd, you 87?
87.
What year's your car?
Get ready to go to Florida.
What year's your car? 1970.
1970.
Fastback.
Yes. We the second owner. Bought from a lady I had to teach
All right, let's go ahead and pull it down so I can wipe it down. Back on up some more. With the pedal. Mm-hmm. Sir, right beside the gold one. Yes, sir. '70 Mustang. Nice day to ride them, so we're gonna bring them out, clean them up a little bit. '70 red fastback 302. How long have you had it? You know what year you got it? Okay. That'd be around 90. Christmas born 97. That's around maybe 2000, maybe.
Yeah, somewhere around 2000. Previous owner had it setting on blocks.
What was the original color?
Acapulco blue.
Acapulco blue.
That's the original 302. Those are the original mileage.
This car is all original except for the paint and the wheels. You got different wheels on it. But the seat covers, the seats, everything inside is original. So the only thing you did to it was, you know, got the motor running and had it painted. Change the wheels out.
J&J started up. Had transmission check.
Yep. So this is all original car. Everything on it is original except for the paint and the wheels.